Stop paying for AI video credits. While everyone else is stuck on the standard Google Flow homepage hitting daily limits, there's a secret developer bypass hidden inside AI Studio that grants you unlimited 4K generation. This isn't just a workaround, it's a professional-grade gateway that unlocks the full power of Veo 4 for free. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how to use this loophole to build a massive passive income machine. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use this secret access point to build a legitimate passive income machine. We are officially moving past the restrictive consumer limits of the basic interface and stepping directly into the professional pipeline. By leveraging the Google AI Studio developer backend, you can generate high-demand 4K cinematic B-roll at scale. This is the ultimate strategy to dominate stock footage sites and stack consistent profits without spending a single cent on credits. We all love the sheer power of Google Veo 4, but let's be honest, the standard Flow web interface is built strictly for casual users. It intentionally throttles your processing speed and constantly caps your creative flow with frustrating daily generation limits. If you're serious about high-volume production, you can't be held back by basic consumer restrictions. It's time to stop playing by the standard rules and start using the tools that the pros actually use. The secret is Google AI Studio. By setting up a developer project, you gain direct access to the Vertex AI backend. This isn't a hack. It's a professional tool Google provides that most people are simply too intimidated to touch. Once you have your unique API key, you can completely bypass the standard UI restrictions. This allows for massive batch processing, meaning you can generate dozens of high-end 4K cinematic clips while you sleep. Instead of waiting on a loading bar, you're building an entire library of premium content automatically, even when you're away from your desk. This is exactly where the passive income comes in. High-quality B-roll is currently in massive demand across the global creator economy. By leveraging the revolutionary physics-aware power of Veo 4, you are creating professional footage that looks virtually indistinguishable from a $10,000 RED camera setup. You're producing elite, high-ticket assets that stock marketplaces are absolutely desperate to get their hands on right now. Focus on impossible physics or high-end textures. These are the clips that buyers can't film in real life. One viral clip on a stock site can pay your rent for a month. The flow is a trap. The API is the escape. I've put the step-by-step setup guide in the description. Don't wait until Google patches the free tier. Start building your library today.